List of business, page 55.
You go through it and then raise it. Meanwhile, I would like to inform Sri K.C. Venugopal. I am giving more opportunity to you. Yes, I agree with you. Yes. Yeah. No, Mr. No, please, I have not given you permission. I am hearing you.
And every day, 0 hours. This is the only prerogative that has been taken away for all these 4 days. And today is Friday, private member day. And this private member day, our rights should not be deprived, should not be taken away by some members. Kindly respect.
Right. No, please don't raise your voice. No, you have raised your hand. I have noticed it. I have to answer what Mr. Jairam Ramesh has said. The minister has made a statement. Members have a right, as per the president, to seek clarification of the minister. I will talk to the minister, the concerned minister and leader of the House, and fix time for giving clarification on the statement made by the minister. Then, yes, that's what I am saying. That is only what I am saying. Yes, the members, please, Ramesh, that's what I am saying. Allow the House to function, and then minister has to be told that they are good. That's what I am saying. Allow the House to function, and then minister has to be told that there are going to be clarifications, and will be. No, please. You can't go on making running commentary, Mr. Ramesh. Please sit down. What is Mr. Derek? Mr. Derek, please. This will not go on record.
Sir, my point of order is Rule 258. Now, 258, sir. Now the resolution has come here. None of us have seen the resolution. Yesterday, all the members who were present, after the House was adjourned, there are many witnesses here across political parties who saw the boorish hooliganism of a minister of the cabinet.
This will not go on record. This will not go on record. What is happening in the House in the presence of the chair, that is taken note by me. Subsequently, what happened, this has not been brought to my notice except in the newspapers, please. So, Mr. No, you have made your point. Yes. That's what I am saying. Even after the, please sit down, Mr. Derek, sit down. This is an important issue. Please sit down. This will not go on record. Please sit down. This will not go on record. This will not go on record. Mr. Santanu Sen, please withdraw from the House. Allow the House to function. Allow the House to function. The House is adjourned to meet at 12.